Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how I prepared this prawn fritters, or you can call them as prawn bajjis. This is the first time I'm trying this recipe and it turned out really good. The prawn was very nice and soft. When I served it with the garlic sauce, it was very nice and tasty. Now I've prepped up all the ingredients required for this recipe. Let's get into the recipe and get started. Here I'll be using deveined and cleaned prawns. This is washed thoroughly, drained and reserved. We'll also need turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and garam masala. You can use any chicken masala also for this recipe. The first step is going to be to cook the prawns. I've added my cleaned prawns to a wok along with the turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and the chicken masala. We'll first combine this and allow this to cook on medium flame. We don't want the prawns to cook all the way through. Once the prawns releases a lot of moisture, we'll drain the prawns from the excess moisture and allow it to cool down completely. We'll reserve it in a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. It has to reach room temperature. That's when we'll start preparing the batter. As you can see, there is a lot of moisture. I'm slowly draining the prawns out because I don't want it to cook all the way through. When I'm frying, the prawns will cook evenly. So now we'll drain it and allow it to cool down completely. Now I'll start preparing the batter also. For the batter, I've sifted the chickpea flour and reserved. The prawns that I have cooked has reached room temperature. Now we'll require chili powder, little bit of asafoetida, salt, baking soda, carom seeds and cumin seeds. I've also heated up oil in a wok to prepare the batter. Now to prepare the batter, in the basin I've added the chili powder, asafoetida, cooking soda, carom seeds, cumin seeds and salt as per taste. We'll add oil and gradually we'll mix all these ingredients till the ingredients are well incorporated in the chickpea flour, and gradually we'll add water little bit at a time and we'll mix this to form a smooth batter. Now the batter should be not so thick, not so thin. So if you dip your finger in this batter, the batter should coat your finger. It should nicely coat your finger. So that's the consistency. Earlier recipes also I've shown you different fritters and bhaji recipes. So that's the same consistency you have to follow and prepare this chickpea batter. On very low flame, the oil is heating up. So I've not switched off the oil. Once the batter has formed, I'll start dipping the prawns in this batter and I'll drop it in the hot oil and I'll fry it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. And a detailed written blog post is posted on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, as well as you can click on the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, you can find all the steps and a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my other social media handlings will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now you can see I have dropped the prawns in the batter and I have coated the prawns in the batter. I dipped it in the batter and it's evenly coated. Now gently I'm going to drop it in the hot oil. So just has to fry for roughly about 2 minutes on each side. You have to keep flipping it and fry this till the batter is cooked and the prawns is cooked. The reason why I asked you to cook the prawns earlier is because prawns releases a lot of moisture. So once it is frying, like once it's dropped in hot oil, it will automatically ooze a lot of moisture and it will start to splatter in the oil. So that is very dangerous. So you prepare it this way. This way it's much more easier and convenient. So now you can see the prawns has fried. I drained the first set of prawns which is turned golden brown in color and I reserved it on a paper towel. Now this is the second batch I'm preparing. I'm preparing it in the same method. I dip the prawns in the batter and gently dropping it in the hot oil. So fry it for 2 minutes on each side. That's more than enough because you have to place the flame also on low to medium flame and fry it till the batter is cooked and the prawns have cooked well. And it has to turn light golden brown in color. So these are the points you have to look into when you're frying these fritters. So once the fritters have fried, till it's golden brown. I've drained it from the excess oil and reserved it on a tissue paper, and I'll be serving it hot. I earlier showed you how to prepare the garlic toom or the garlic chutney, we call it here in India. Serve these prawn fritters along with that garlic toom. It turned out so good. The combination is really good. You can serve this as a starter, or you can serve it as a side dish for any meal like your biryanis or your fish curries. You can serve it as a side dish, so it is very nice and tasty. So try this recipe, friends, and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. All the links to my social media and my blog link will be in the description box below this video. I really enjoyed these prawn fritters and hope you prepare this and try it out and enjoy it too. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.